Okay. You have it on?
Yeah.
Okay, I need a bike.
Yeah, you do. Do you want to test this one out?
Yeah, not now. You
sure?
Yeah, you take off with it.
Because depending on where we go, I might want something that I'm comfortable with. I don't know where you're wanting to go or how far you're wanting to go.
I don't know how far we were going either. We're just going to go and we'll test it out. And
see if I can adjust my seat one more time because it's still a little tall.
Hey guys, Richard here. Got Emma over there. We're going to be testing out the Cyrusher Rumble. Rumble.
Don't ask me. I don't know.
It's on the bottom right there. Is it Rumble or Ramble?
Rumble.
It's the Rumble. Yeah.
We're rumbling and we're tumbling.
Rumbling and tumbling. So we're going to test that out. And it happens to be nighttime because we just put it together. So, yeah. That's how it goes sometimes. Oh no. I don't remember where the on button is for this one. There. Does it have a separate... Oh, does it have a separate button for the light? I don't remember. I may have to bust out
a flashlight?
No, that's a horn, I think.
That's definitely a horn.
That was definitely a horn. That was earth-shattering.
Dad, now you're going to fall off it like I did.
Oh my goodness. I'm falling. I forgot it wasn't a step through. I went to hop off and I got caught on it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, where are we going?
I don't know. I'm just riding.
Watch out for the idiots out there.
These two.
I was going to say, we're the only idiots out there.
We're the only idiots out here tonight. Oh, whoa. So this thing, boy. Whew.
Your light's pretty bright too. Yours is longer though, like it has a longer...
Hey, so it's just tilted up a little bit further than yours, I think.
Well, no, because look, I have mine tilted up too, but look, yours has like a longer path. Mine has like a shorter path. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I see what
I don't know how to describe. I can't.
Yeah.
I can't speak. I don't know how to explain it. But
I'm not sure how to explain it. So we're gonna take a left.
Yours is just as bright. It's just sure.
Let's take a left.
It's just.
I don't remember really any of the specs on that, so I haven't learned anything about it yet. So.
Yeah, well.
I don't remember if it's.
I'm just the physical labor. I just put it together, so I don't know.
I don't remember if it has a. If it goes 20, 28, or it seemed like that one goes 32. So let's see how fast it'll go. Is that it?
It's getting there.
It's just a little slow, huh? All right.
Yeah.
24, 25. All right.
If you push it, it could probably go faster, but it was sitting at about 26.
You got a car. You go in front. Got a car behind us. Stay to the right.
It was just kind of slow to get up there.
Yeah.
Yours definitely has like it's faster reaction, I guess, to it.
Yeah. Well, that guy turned, so we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
I mean, it got up to 26. It was going pretty good.
This is a 1,000-watt motor, so it gets you there pretty quick.
Yeah.
And yours is a 750.
That explains it. Definitely need to tilt my light up a little bit more.
Yeah. I'm thinking I'd rather blind somebody a little bit, but make sure I could see a little further down the road.
Yeah, that's how I normally am too.
Yeah. But
I'd rather see further ahead than right up front on me.
Especially when you're going faster. All right, so we're gonna have to make a circle right here because the gates are closed. Unless we get up on the sidewalk and then we can get through.
I mean, we could.
We could. You wanna do that?
Sure.
Let's do that. It's a nice night. It's a great night.
Nice.
I think we can cut through here. There's the grass. Everything looks good. Follow me. Yeah, so Em and I are out cruising, testing out that Cyrusher. Just put it together. Are you in, were you in Pass 5 earlier? Are you in Pass 5?
Yeah.
Okay. So, 28 miles per hour. Motor seems to be pretty quiet on that bike.
Yeah.
I really like what I'm seeing with this camera. This camera has a night mode that I'm testing out for the first time, and it's according to the screen that I'm looking at back here, it's
Yeah.
it's showing up
Looks
real
pretty
nice.
good.
It's showing up real nice.
Nice.
I've had a lot of trouble with this camera recently, but let's take a right here.
Okay.
And we do have a car coming, so I'll be in front of you.
Okay.
Now you can zip on up here. Yeah, I can hear the motor a little bit right now. Being
Yeah.
right close to it. So I'd say it's probably average.
Yeah.
It's not like overly loud, but it's not super quiet like some bikes are.
Right.
Tail light is nice and bright. My goodness, I didn't realize this bike went so fast. This one really does zip.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. I don't hear that brake anymore. Do you hear it? You hear it
Not
rubbing?
really.
So when we assembled this bike, we, oh my goodness, the brake was really like out of adjustment, and it turned out the bracket was actually rubbing up against the rotor. So we had to loosen it and make some adjustments there to fix it. And then after that, it still sounded like the brake pad was rubbing slightly on it, but not. Yeah, I think it's kind of worked itself out, so I think we'll be fine. That is hydraulic brakes on that, so. I'm still getting pelted with bugs occasionally, are you?
Yeah.
Even though the temperatures are down a little bit, the bugs are attracted to our lights and they get out right in front of us, and then we get to go right through them.
So I'm trying not to talk too much. I don't want to inhale one.
All right, we'll have to turn around here. Circling around. Cruising along pretty good there.
Yeah.
24, 25. Are you ghost pedaling?
Huh?
Are you ghost pedaling, or do you still feel pedal?
I still can't hear you.
Can you feel the pedal, or were you ghost pedaling?
I'm definitely ghost pedaling a little bit, but
Yeah, so you're not getting any resistance?
yeah. Granted, it could also be the gear I have it in too.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, it was a squirrel.
That was a squirrel. Well, do you have it in 7th gear? The 7th speed?
I think it's probably 6th or 7th, yeah. It's hard to tell. I can't really see. It's up there though.
Somebody needs to come up with an e-bike that has all the controls illuminated, you know, so you can see everything.
Yeah, there. I just dropped it down a little bit.
Have a backlit button pad and a backlit thumb shifter, and so you can see it all. I'm just following your lead at this point, okay?
Oh, okay. I don't really know where I'm going, so I'm just going.
Okay, well, we passed our turn back there, so.
Oh, okay.
But we can go this way. It takes us to another gate, and we can't go out, so we'll have to turn around and go back anyway.
Okay. That's fine. Oh, I didn't mean to go through the grass.
Just trying to hit the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Here comes a golf cart.
There's 2 of them.
Yep. I hear that brake rubbing just a little bit.
Yeah, I can hear it a little bit too.
Yeah, it just needs a little more fine-tuned adjustment.
Yeah. We'll figure it out.
Some e-bikes don't need any adjustment at all. Some of them, they're just really out of whack. So, is that? Oh, I think that was our turn back there. Or is it this one? We're looking for major turner. Is that it? Oh, that's it, right?
We passed it then.
Okay, let's go back to that last one. What the heck?
What was that?
Jurassic Park. It sounded like a, something was going to swoop down out of the sky and grab us.
Freaking pterodactyl or something.
Pterodactyl, that's what I was thinking of. Hey, we should stop right here. Let me ride it real quick.
Huh? Oh.
And switch real quick. Okay, I gotta remember to swing my leg over. I'm gonna drop the seat for you.
Say, drop it like way down. She's a little tall, but I'll make it work.
I didn't check. It might go down a little bit more if you want to try it.
It's okay for now. I mean, we're around the corner. I'll be fine.
I like that this is a. We'll wait for this car. I like that this is a step through.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, I think so. It is a little slow though.
Yeah.
As far as
like it'll get up there. It just takes a little bit.
Hit that one. Take off. We'll go a little further. Hit that one.
Oh.
And see how powerful it is. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, see how quick it goes?
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, it's a really nice bike too.
Do I just hit the sidewalk up here?
We can. There's a big drop right there, that tree though, because that tree really, during the storm, it tore up the sidewalk, so.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It drops down though, so it's fine. Just be ready for it. Here you go, cut through the grass right here. Hit it, keep going.
Oh, that's a big drop. Ow.
This is a super, you know something I've noticed?
Uh-huh.
Last year compared to this year, the quality of bikes have improved a lot.
Yeah.
You know, we got some really junk bikes last year. And I won't mention names, but there's a couple of brands that had junk bikes last year, but this year, the models they came out with, they improved the quality just a lot.
Yeah.
And so, I mean, it's a good time to be in, you know, buying an e-bike and stuff just because of that. I mean, they're coming out much nicer now. Yeah, I like this bike a lot. It feels good.
It's crazy how much jump this one has in just like pass 2.
Oh, I know. In pass 2, it flies, doesn't it? It just.
Yeah. I really like the handlebars, like something with like the level of like the handlebars to like the seat and everything is a lot more comfortable. Like I always feel like on all the other ones, I'm stretching too far. Yeah. And it puts so much strain on my shoulders versus this, I feel like I could ride more relaxed.
Yeah.
Even on like my own bike that I ride all the time, it's the same thing. I feel like, you know, it's just too far or something.
Well, the handlebars are adjustable, so we raised them up. And in fact, if you look, I'll do it while we're riding here dangerously. Look, you can loosen the handlebars.
Yeah.
No, I can't. Oh, it's on there too tight. I can't loosen it. And we can raise this one up too.
Yeah. I don't know. So, I just like the position of these.
Yeah. This one I noticed when I got on, I was leaning over a little too much, so I would want to raise these anyway.
Like these are higher up, but I feel like they're also a little bit closer maybe.
Yeah, so let's stop right here now and see if I can get this thing to loosen up. Why is that so tight? There we go. Are they the same height now? About? Yeah, looks like they're about the same height, huh? Lock it back down. Yeah, see, that's better because I'm not leaning over at all now.
Yeah.
Nice.
Maybe that's what I need to do with my personal one then, because I feel like I'm always like really far grip and like lean forward. And I feel like that's what puts so much strain through here when I'm riding. Yeah, mine blinks. I don't know if you noticed that.
Yours blinks, this one doesn't. Your handlebars are not adjustable up and down. Not without having to add a part. We can. We just have to add a stem riser because it doesn't have this telescoping type of handlebars on yours.
Okay.
But if that's a problem, we've got the parts.
Yeah.
It only takes a couple minutes to do it, so we'll do that sometime when you're here.
Okay. Because I think that's part of it. This, I just feel like I'm more at like a relaxed down here position versus the other ones, I'm like this.
Yeah, or leaning over a little bit.
I honestly wonder if that's why I get so much tension up through here every time we ride. Because I'm doing this the whole time.
Well, we need to make sure you're comfortable when we ride, so you'll feel like going out.
Trust me, I know.
Going out a little further. All right, where's my remote?
I don't know.
Right here. Guys, we're going to sign off right here because Em and I are done for the night, I think. It was a fun ride. We got to test out. She got to test out that model. I'm riding, of course, this new Cyrusher Rumble, and I like it. Yeah. So be looking for a full review video here, I don't know, in a week or two. Yeah. Whoa, almost hit the truck. Oh, you almost ran me over, didn't you?
No, I almost fell off again.
I almost fell off.
Yeah. Well, it's because I'm on like my tippy toes. I'm not.
It's a little tall for you.
I'm too short. And so I started losing it, and I was like, oh
no. You are too much fun. Too much fun. Okay, hold on. I'm going to turn this off.